This is about the women in our communities being able to have a voice, and how do they all have an impact and a voice in how those services are shaped.
What the Academy has done over the last 12 months on these pilot projects actually has enabled those women to take in charge of themselves and their local communities. And some of the wonderful work they are continuing to do is absolutely fantastic.
It was a great experience to attend the leadership workshops, an opportunity for the BME women to come forward and learn to overcome barriers to enable themselves to be involved in decision making for their community.
I soon realised these housewives are the hidden gems of the community waiting to be discovered. The first question we asked in the room was who would consider themselves to be a leader, and nobody put their hand up. So again, it was that, what does actually leadership mean? And one thing that we kind of tried to get out from them was that everybody can be a leader.
I think it's been a very, very good morning. We've had a good turnout from a cross-section of the community, and I think the most pleasant part of it was actually the feedback that we received from the participants, who all really valued the program.
And the course went really well. It was very positive. We were talked about communication skills, positive attitude, encouraging each other in group work, individually.
The moment they were coming down from the stage, there were people approaching them and talking to them, and it shows that they are impressing from their skills and the way they are carrying out, and hopefully very soon we will see more women leaders from BME community.
A lot of these women were highly intelligent women. They had degrees in medicine, social media, teachers, business owners. Doesn't matter what battles you go through in life, you have to come together and help each other out of it. And I think that's what we sort of found when we were at the sessions talking to each other.
I found today really heartwarming to listen to all the stories of the women that have been involved in the programme, and to see them realise their own potential.
Loads of skills, loads of leadership qualities, but really no recognition of that amongst themselves. So I think the biggest thing probably that the programme has given them is the ability to value themselves and the skills that they possess, and to think about how they might use those in the communities.
I think I came with what could this do for me. I think I'm actually going to leave what can I do for others within the trust where I work.
Every one of those women have said to me before when I went to see them, Max, we've never done anything like this before. And I said, that's why you're leaders. Because it's the leaders who stand up, it's the leaders who will come forward, it's the leaders who will put their heads above the parapet. You are now part of that leadership journey. That's why you'll be coming out and speaking here.